Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
गोंयांत सुमार 400 प्रकरणां आयकर अपीलेट ट्रिब्युनलांत प्रलंबीत आसात. न्यायालयान म्हयन्याक 70 ते 80 प्रकरणांचो निवाड दिता म्हूण इन्कम टॅक्स अपीलेट ट्रिब्युनलाचे उपाध्यक्ष महावीर सिंग उलयला.
All India Members Conference of Income Tax Appellate Tribunal 2025 we are holding on 12th and 13th July 2025 at this Goa Marriott Resort and Spa, Myanmar, Goa. Our institution, the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, is India's oldest and most esteemed quasi-judicial institution in the field of direct taxation. This prestigious congregation marks the 84th foundation anniversary of the tribunal, a milestone that celebrates over 8 decades of delivering impartial, accessible and expeditious justice, which is our motto, that is Nispaksh, Sulabh and Satvar Nyay, easy and speedy justice. The conference will convey honorable members from across the country, providing a vital forum for reflecting on the evolution of tax jurisprudence, reaffirming institutional values, and engaging with the emerging challenges in the realm of tax adjudication. Goa pendency is around some 400, 390 or so.
Less than 400.
Less than 400. 400 appeals.
Or
Pending. Pending disposal, but every month institution is around 60-70 and disposal also 60-70, almost same or little higher.
Okay, in Goa it is.
Goa. Institution every month, institution of appeals by department or by assessees.
Filing of
From
filing.
the orders of commissioner, against the order of commissioner appeals, commissioner exemption, some orders of CCIT, PCIT or like that.